Hello guys, welcome to my channel at Masichepkoge. Yeah, so today's vlog I want to show you my gift from my sister. Today I'm so happy I've received what I ordered. Uh, my phone was in bad condition. I don't know if you can see clearly. Yeah, many cracks, and then the camera. Then I told my sister that my phone was in a bad condition. Then she promised me that she would buy me a phone, but unfortunately we are far from each other, so she decided to send me money, and then I ordered it from June. Yeah, and I want to show you guys. So this is the new phone. So this is it, the phone. So in case if you are new here, kindly subscribe and give this video a like, comment, and for the returning subscribers I want to thank you for your continuous support, always coming back to look my videos. Yeah, so this is the new phone, silver. So this is its charger. Oh, these are the earphones. Yeah, so this is the pin. So let's open the phone now. Oh, it's same size as this one. See. Yeah, this is it. So I think I'll end my video there. Oh, and it's so unique. See, this way we place the SIM card, not from the sideways guy. See, different from this one. This one we insert the SIM card here. Yeah. And it's a single SIM.